Once upon a time, in a green forest full of safety harbor, Nino was walking calmly, listening to the sound of the trees and the gentle breeze.
Nino sat under a tree and held a red apple law. He took a bite from it. He was happy. His smile was magical. The ants saw him from far away wait. They wanted to eat apples like him, but the ants were small and they couldn't talk to Nino. The ants gathered together. They talked and thought, thought and thought. What can we do? How can we reach him? Whoosh.
Suddenly, a bright idea appeared built. They organized themselves on the ground and formed the shape of an apple with their bodies.
Nino saw the scene and was very surprised, and he realized what they wanted. They wanted apples. No words were needed.
Nino came closer with a smile and shared the apple with Lothar.
He gave the ants their part, and the forest became full of joy and happiness.
That day Nino learned that understanding doesn't always need words. Sometimes a beautiful idea reaches the heart before the